Hello, this is part 2 of our discussion on the present tense. We dealt with the simple present tense and the present continuous tense, right? So I'm sure you all have written down the sentences for simple present and simple present continuous, and you would have said it out aloud, and so you're practicing the tense as well as you are practicing the subject-verb agreement, which I feel is the basic of the language. Okay, whatever else you learn, it's what we have done. The first person, second person, third person, and the verb that goes with it. That is the basic of the language. So once you get a hang of that, all of this becomes easy. It just follows naturally. So now let's look at the present perfect form of the tense. Now the present perfect form of the tense is used when you have just finished something in the present moment. For example, I have finished recording one video. It has stopped raining. The boys have finished playing. It has been a long time. The dog has stopped barking. So you say it is something that has just stopped happening. Okay, to put it as simply as I can. Something was happening up to this moment and now it has stopped. I have finished reading the book. I have watered the plants. She just has arrived. The train has left the station. So you see, you are using the present tense form of the verb, has, have, according to our subject-verb agreement. And you are expressing something, an action or anything that has just been completed. Okay? Now let's look at the present perfect continuous tense. What is a present perfect continuous tense? It has been raining for 2 hours. That is the present perfect continuous. So what I'm trying to say is that it has been raining for 2 hours. It started some time back, okay, and it is still continuing. So it has a past reference and it is still continuing. I have been recording this video for some time now. She has been watering the plants for the past 5 hours. That's exaggeration. The children have been playing since morning. So you get the hang of it, I hope. Your present continuous tense, present perfect continuous, your present perfect continuous tense is used to express actions which have a past reference. Okay, it started some time ago and it is still continuing. Alright, it hasn't finished. It is still continuing. That is the use. I'm explaining it to you as simply as possible. The more sentences you form of this kind, the more simple it will be for you to relate to it. Okay, rather than concentrating on the rules and all of that, make sentences of this kind. So what is your task? You have to make sentences in the present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense. As I told you in the previous video, please write down the sentences and then practice saying it. So that way you will be thorough with it, and all the time keep your subject-verb agreement in mind. There you cannot go wrong. That is your basic. Alright? So just master those sentences, your subject-verb agreement. I sound like a parrot out here. Repeatedly I'm telling you the same thing, but that's the fact. You master that and you will not go wrong in speaking the language. Alright? So do your task sincerely. Bye. See ya.